Hello everyone, today we had a mini electric chainsaw. This is a very good quality machine for all the details in your house. So with this you can do everything by yourself. It's a very good 6 inches chain. It's coming, everything's coming, two batteries, coming two extra chains, safety glass, gloves, and everything for take care of the machine. Down in the shopping cart, I will leave the link in the description, so buy yours before they gone.